We were contacted by Recursive to tender for a audiovisual upgrade for the Royal Academy of Engineers. By collaborating with Sennheiser, Lightware and other manufacturers, allowed us to put this installation together to provide a hybrid working solution in the meeting rooms for broadcast and live events.
Royal Academy of Engineering is a charity and they basically aim to use engineering for the betterment of humankind. This building itself is the home of the Royal Academy of Engineering. Prince Philip House is what we call the building, the conference side of it. There's a lot of conferences from around the world from other companies which are held here.
This is a listed building, which means that we've got to be very aware of how we install this advanced audiovisual equipment in a building such as that to make sure it's not only discreet, but it actually performs as it's meant to. For example, we customised the Sennheiser ceiling tiles for the correct RAW colour for the rooms, making sure that the hardware integrates and is basically invisible.
Sennheiser always focus on premium audio quality. We want to give the highest audio quality and best experience for the users and the integrator as well. With the technology itself, you can easily program it multiple different areas, so you can have combined spaces, individual spaces, but using all our alliance partners, QSys, Crestron and Lightware, it means that there's a real symbiotic relationship between the equipment as well.
The collaborative process was really important, and that's something that we really enjoyed working with Whitwam, because they are very open. We can always have a discussion. The greatest bits of innovation in this project is really the extent to which we now control the lighting levels, not just the brightness, but also the colours and the temperatures to some degree.
One of the benefits of having a team like Whitwam is they were able to run the 10 gig fibre backbone through the building to the specified locations to enable the flexibility of the technology and also deliver a solid level of future-proofing. Generally, say our Vinx solutions are used for certain applications. What Whitwam are able to do is take our Vinx solution and use it in conjunction with the broadcast systems that not only enable to take the broadcast system directly into the Vinx solutions, the AV over IP system, but then also vision mix and put it onto a web system as well. So it's really sort of looking at how the product can work outside of the box and across different solutions, which the team at Whitwam were able to deliver on.
So with a collaboration with RAE and Recursive, this has resulted in the venue having fully customizable spaces. This means that we've got simple control for the end user, yet more technical capabilities for the in-house technician.
I think the main thing I get with clients is the reliability of the equipment we have in-house. It's really nice to have a system where not only is everything stable and at a high sort of level, but if anything does go wrong or we need any assistance, you can monitor it remotely from anywhere in the building or off-site, and Whitwam helps us a lot.
I think one of the biggest challenges we had was opening people's eyes to what was possible. I think people often get stuck in this mode of we've only ever done this before, therefore we just need to do the same thing better. And I think for us it's about taking the client on a journey because they've probably not done this sort of thing before.
One of the great takeaways for me personally is seeing the RAE now run with that and gain confidence with these new spaces and the technology that they've got, and running events that perhaps they wouldn't even have thought possible.
Whitwam AV challenge themselves and everybody else with some really interesting spaces.
In our experience, we work with many different system integrators, and a lot of them do tend to try to follow a brief word for word. But where Whitwam differentiate themselves is to go above and beyond. It's not just to look at how the system can work, it's actually how can we improve that in itself.
Working with Recursive and our network of suppliers, specialising in heritage sites is what Whitwam does. Being asked to carry out this project has been a great opportunity to integrate the right technology solution in a sympathetic manner. It's been a privilege to install in a venue as unique as the Royal Academy of Engineering.